I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, the Metaverse schooling to help Japanese city combat the growing absenteeism. So what we are hearing over here is that from the government level, this is going to be implemented where there will be schooling within the Metaverse. Talk about the mass adoption of the crypto, talk about the mass adoption of the Metaverse. The government of a country is actually planning to solve a big problem when they happen to see at least 30 days in a financial year 2021 students were absent. They happen to take it as a solution that Metaverse schooling is going to be launched. Guess what is going to follow? The moment that this particular thing is going to be successful, the world is going to follow with the schooling. And what a big industry the schooling is. Every kid born on the planet has to go through the school. Are we talking about the mass adoption and mega solutions happening? This is it. At the same time, there will be, to enable this mass adoption of the Metaverse, there will need to be some of the crypto coins, some of the crypto technologies that are going to be used, whether you like it or not. They have to be used in order to implement it. And a lot of crypto technologies will be enabling the Metaverse. For example, Polygon or the Matic, my favorite one. This is like being chosen by Disney, Facebook, Metaverse, and all of this. And I would like to uncover some of the secret coins that are really low market cap as well, and that are going to play in the future a huge role. That they are actually needed for the protection, for the security as well. Again, watch the video completely till the end. It is going to be short, and I'm going to be revealing those coins as well that is going to unlock this mass adoption that is going to happen in the future. Now, the government data actually showed that 250,000 Japanese elementary and junior high school students were absent for at least 30 days in financial year 2021. Now, the Japanese city of this adopted a Metaverse schooling service to encourage students, especially those staying far away from school, to attend their classes. The Metaverse schooling service opted by the city allows students to explore the campus and study in virtual classrooms. However, the students must get the approval from the respective school principals for attendance in order to avail this Metaverse schooling service. Just imagine, this is the level of mass adoption of the Web3 that we were talking about. And just try to think of this particular thing that probably, let's say, when the digital camera was getting started earlier, before the digital camera, everyone was using the normal camera, the reels were being made, and the moment there was an experiment with the digital camera, okay, now there was a news happening. There is a camera which can actually click the pics and you can see it on the screen. You don't have to get the reels and stuff, right? Slowly and steadily it has started spreading across the world. But guess what? When it started spreading across the world, since it was solving a major problem of reducing the redundancy, extra cost, extra time, it began with the mass adoption. In fact, to the extent that the companies like Kodak went bankrupt. And then the normal smartphone started implementing that same technology of the digital camera onto the phone. And here we are talking billions of people actually using that particular technology of the digital camera. This is how the mass adoption begins. There could be a possibility that, let's say, 15 years, 20 years down the line, every school in the world has their Metaverse version. And if students can actually give their enough proof that probably they're sick, they are not able to attend the school or physical, they can have the physical school as well as the Metaverse school. The students can attend within the Metaverse. Or even during the times when schools are closed, things can be availed via the Metaverse. And to enable all that, we will need the technologies, whether we like it or not. My favorite one is the Matic and Polygon. I've been consistently talking about them. The Disney, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, you name the big names, JP Morgan. I mean, all of them have adopted to Matic and Polygon. Right now, it's sitting at $6 billion market cap. It has a potential, I believe, to actually cross that $100 billion market cap. One of the few coins that can do something like this, and Polygon would be one of them. But in this video, I further want to uncover one of the coins, and I have actually talked about that coin in one of my previous videos. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And by the way, you can win one full Bitcoin completely free. Watch the video till the end. There will be a message. How can you actually qualify to win that? So I was talking about this particular coin, and it is sitting at $10 million market cap. Just imagine, it is a coin that is actually going to be a highly beneficial, not just for anything, but for the entire crypto space. Why? Because it is going to prevent a lot of crypto space, entire crypto space, from hacking. And in fact, one of the, many of the crypto companies have partnered with them in order to protect their portfolio from hacking. And one of the big name has just partnered with the new latest technology Aegis, where every transaction will be monitored and the reversal can happen at any time if the hack happens. And that particular coin is lossless. Let me just show you guys what is the potential of this particular coin. Like right now, the fully diluted market cap is approximately $20 million, and the normal market cap is $11 million. Just imagine if it goes to $1 billion, you have already made 100x, or even if, let's say, at the fully diluted market cap, all the tokens unlocking, you have made 50x. $1 billion is nothing in the crypto world, as we all know. And just imagine the kind of solution. We have heard 2021, the hacking happened all the way, right? They are already covering the DeFi space right now, and in the future, they are even planning to, they haven't launched it yet. They are planning to integrate the NFT protection. And just imagine the NFT and the crypto protection followed by, because they are the only one in this particular space of protecting from the hacks. They will be implementing within the metaverse, so they can become the category king of this field. And right now they are big cheap, guys. If you have not started accumulating this particular coin, this is the time I would suggest all of you guys. Why? Because this is the bear market, and probably it might be getting over or whatever. But we are talking by the next bull market, the mega run might happen in this particular coin. For the kind, they just partnered with One Harmony, $200 million market cap coin, and they are protecting, the lossless guys are protecting the entire portfolio of One Harmony. And this is just a beginning. The entire crypto space eventually is going to be protected. Why? Because the hacking has become one of the biggest problem. Like the investors' money is lost, the entire technology, the tokens, the team's motivation, everything, the vision, the trust, everything is gone in one go with just one hack. You need something like this to protect. So this is one of the opportunity of a lifetime, guys. With all that bullish news, I have been consistently talking the metaverse adoption at the school level, at the NFTs being distributed, the Interpol entering into the metaverse. I have been consistently covering all that. All this boils down to one thing. When there is a gold rush, sell the shovels. These are the shovels that are going to be, this is like the gem pick, the lossless, literally. And it is sitting at such a low market cap. It's a steal price right now. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you found it helpful. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down below for what do you feel about this lossless, about this metaverse adoption, the schooling, and so much things that may happen in the future. And till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.